All right, we're getting started on a little street photography. We're gonna go to Chinatown in Bangkok. Got my girlfriend Linda here with me. So I have a little Insta360 camera I'm gonna wear right here, and you'll be able to see at least my shots, and of course we'll show you Linda's shots as well. All right, so here we go, and she's already shooting. Chinatown in the morning is pretty quiet. You ever been to Chinatown in Bangkok at night? Oh, hold on. Oh, we got a photo opportunity right here. This tuk-tuk driver right here on the left. He's working on his tuk-tuk, cleaning it. Oh. This building right here I really like. I was here yesterday taking the photos. It's got a lot of cool textures to it. Let's go down this way first. Is there another market like this that we didn't go into, you think?
I don't think so.
Let's just do it real quick. Yeah, we can go across the street, yeah. Okay. Good morning.
Oh my.
That's it. Look at all that chicken right there. I don't think this was set up yesterday. Oops, I didn't get it in focus. Hold on a second. There we go. Oops. There we go. Got it. Hi. Photo? Okay. That's a good one. Oops. Careful. This guy's right here. Wait till he gets. Until he's looking towards us.
I don't know where his dog is today.
Oh, which one? Oh, that one guy that had the dog?
Your dog. Your little
Dog with a cone? Oh. I should show him a photo.
Oh, you should.
I'm going to show this guy the photos I took yesterday. I want to show you. Kind of. He's like, who are these crazy people? Look at all this stuff going on. Look at the fish right there. Right there. Get that guy, maybe get closer to him. You can. No, go ahead. Just do your shots. This is perfect. The textures here are amazing. This is the kind of scenes I kind of live for, because look at everything that's going on here. We've got all these different textures. The lighting is really cool. Got this right here. Yeah, this is great. His mouth. Hey, hey Kiki, Kiki, how are you? These cats have one job. I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. But there's a lady that's been coming in and out.
But look at all these.
Yeah, she's been feeding them. Oops. All right, walk down this way. She can get, oh, if she comes out,
Yeah.
right when she walks out with the cats right here,
Yeah.
you can kind of frame it vertically. Portrait mode. She's actually right here. Here she comes, here she comes, here she comes. Oh. Closer. Whoa. Can I photo? Cocoon crop, thank you. Yeah, go back to the right. I think you're getting some good ones. Good.
I probably do better with my phone.
Oh, look at right here, right here, right here. Right. Drop the ISO a bit. I don't think there's much here. We gotta go back like into that. Or you wanna go, or we can go back in the market and then head down the street. Maybe we can go, you know what, we should have just went that.
Down that way and then that way and that way.
You wanna do that? We're here, we might as well. Oh, look at, oh, there's the temple we were at yesterday. Oops. Have you been in that temple, sweetheart? Huh? Oh, sorry. Oh, there's some good light right there on him. I think we're off the main street. The main street's that way, isn't it? Right, I think you're right. Let's do that. There you go, right there. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I don't have the
สา
video.
ธุขอพระเจ้าคุ้มครองนะให้เรียนสุขเจริญรุ่งเรืองเฮงๆรวยๆมีโชคมีลาภนะสาธุโชคดีโชคดี
Crowd. It's okay. Photo's fine. There you go. Thank you. Can I get a photo? Thank you. Cop Kun Crop. He's doing a little offering right there, isn't he? Oh, he was. So we're gonna do what?
We are going to go into Chatramu, which is the best chai tea, ice milk chai tea in Bangkok.
The best chai tea in Bangkok. I'm excited. Oh, good. Well, I'm gonna show you guys how this is made. Wow, it's such a busy place in here. It's a 40-minute wait for our chai tea. Got all the Grab guys lined up. Everyone's lined up. They're making it right. And look at those right there on the above that lady's head. You can see all those orders. There's like one order. It's like 20 orders on it. So yeah, 40 minutes for chai. But I think it's going to be worth it. We'll let you know. All right, here's one thing I don't like.
Original Thai tea from Bangkok, and it's delicious.
Let's give it a try. I've never had this. Let's see. Wow. That is amazing.
It's good, isn't it?
That is the best chai tea I've ever had. By far.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Cheers. Cheers to this in Bangkok.
40-minute wait.
It was worth it. Oh my God. Ah, that's it. That's the banger shot right there. Recycling going on right there. One more. I got it, thank you. Oh, leave that one. I think I'm coming to the end of the day for street photography today. It's about 9:30 and light's getting a little harsher, which is no problem. However, I think I've got all my shots. A lot of them you'll have seen here, obviously. And and I hope you enjoyed this. The Insta360 battery, you have to keep recharging it, so a lot of the shots I did you won't see with take with the Insta360 as well. They're just shown throughout. That's why you can see both videos. Anyway, so yeah, Chinatown in Bangkok is awesome. But get here early in the morning. We left at 7 o'clock. If you like this, subscribe, give a like, and please leave comments. I really appreciate the interaction whenever people leave comments. So for now, from Bangkok, I'm Terry, and I'll see you next time.